So I have something interesting to show you today. These are water buffalo in 1/72 scale, and they're unusual. I really like them, and they're from a company called Paracel Miniatures. I found them on eBay. I was just doing a search, just kind of having an idea of what's around and what's out there that's unusual, and I found the most unusual thing I think I've ever seen. There are a lot of parts to this kit, and there are a lot of sections as well. You get 2 water buffalo, and they come in pieces, as you can see here, and the torso looks really good. The detail looks amazing, especially on the hooves. It's little things like that that make a difference. You have to be careful because it's very brittle, and also this is resin, so if you are cutting any of these sections off, you need to use a mask, and especially when you're sanding. But look how gorgeous the detail is on the head of the water buffalo, and the parts are tiny as well. You've got ears, you've got a tail, and you've even got horns as well that are present. So there's a lot of little parts that will have to be attached to the water buffalo itself. I get the impression that this kit isn't too hard to construct, and I think it'll be fun to put one of these little guys together. They're going to look great as well on any diorama that you do in 1/72 scale, especially Southeast Asian, anything to do with the Pacific campaign. But for me, this is ideal for the Vietnam War. I mean, these were the most numerous animals, and there were a lot of them, especially farmers. They use these guys all the time. So that's what I want to capture, is the authenticity of any diorama that I do. And if you want to do the same, you need to get one of these kits. This is very unusual and an excellent quirky thing to have. My goal is to hopefully cast a few more of these and make my own parts. As you can see, they are tiny though, and this horn is minuscule. I'll put together a build video on this interesting kit, and we'll see how easy it is really to construct these guys. They're kind of cool, I like them, and I can't wait to put them in a diorama. Thanks for watching, guys. See you next time.